Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Now, this is what has been trending on the streets, and I hope that you have been catching up. My apologies for not coming and reporting everything on time. But your girl is here, and these are the things that I posted on my TikTok page regarding trending news. Why do I post on TikTok? TikTok, guys, is a bit quicker and things move. But yeah, let me bring everything, my opinions here on on YouTube, brother. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. But now I am back with a bang. Hi everyone. I hope you're good. I'm good as well. So the Alubuga program, or the Abuga program. I want to talk about the interview that happened on PodcastandChill right yesterday. Omekchi. People are saying, hey, Mekchi was emotional and stuff. If I was Mekchi and in those shoes, I would be emotional. Because remember, this guy has been cancelled for how long? Every year, every corner to dry, Mekchi is being cancelled. Corner to dry, Mekchi is being cancelled. So what did we expect as a country? Did we expect him to be smooth and cool? No. And also, Uzile is so emotional about the whole thing. You could see Uguti Uganjenai im catch off guard. And after the interview that happened for PodcastandChill, I realized they did not do their due diligence, but also it's not just on them. And I at this point feel sorry for Sima, because Vele, she's trending like nobody's business. Girl can't even breathe without, the TikTok streets dragging her. Also, Umunaga's reputation lied on being away from PodcastandChill, and when all things went bad, she had to come back to PodcastandChill. Like, but guys, I feel sorry for them. But also, Usol disappointed me, because Usol did not respond as much as I thought he would, or maybe say points that are valid as we always see him to say. Could it be because of the termination of contract, Nekaya 959, or what? I don't know. But also, the journalist that was there, guys, Shapang also was journalist. The only person that I liked was the other guy that was speaking on behalf of the influencers. But let us